Terra manufactures its vacuum chambers in a variety of materials, including acrylic, aluminum, and stainless steel. Terra's vacuum chambers allow vacuum processing down to 99.9% vacuum. Cylinder acrylic vacuum chambers with front swing doors include tall front load access doors, stainless steel draw latches, and inlaid O-rings for clean, leak-tight operation. Adjust-a-shelf vacuum desiccator cabinets feature spacious chambers, front swing doors, and adjustable shelves for batch processing small parts. Cylindrical vacuum chambers offer improved rigidity and minimize 90-degree corners, making them easy to clean and maintain for fast and efficient cycling. Front swing lid models include an extra-wide mouth and hinged door for easy feed-through of long, flat, and wide parts. Powder-coated aluminum vacuum chambers offer better chemical resistance than acrylic chambers, particularly when using disinfectants. Stainless steel vacuum chambers are ideally suited for chemical, biopharmaceutical, and microelectronics applications that require high temperatures and/or corrosive chemicals. All of Terra's vacuum chambers include 2 metering valves installed on the chamber. One valve can be used to apply a vacuum from a pump, while the other valve can be used to backfill the chamber with nitrogen or other processed gas. Customizable feed-throughs allow for the connection of power and data cables from outside of the vacuum chamber. EVAC digital vacuum controllers provide flexible control over vacuum levels by incorporating an electronically activated bleed valve. Vacuum pump connection kits allow sealing components in a vacuum chamber or vacuum line, with included vacuum fitting adapters, seals, and clamps, as well as a solenoid valve with fittings to establish secure, leak-proof connections and maintain reliable vacuum control. To learn more, call us or chat with one of our product specialists at terrauniversal.com.